if I take a look at ABK, what we've worked on very hard actually was our strategy about being simplicity, making our clients' life much easier, and I think we've moved a long way towards this. I mean, if you want to open an account with ABK, you'd find the process much smoother, much faster than most of the other banks, and yet we do not give an inch, in terms of know your customer and compliance and so on. But I'm sure, because we believe that there are ways to do certain things behind the scene, not seen necessarily directly by the customer. So simplicity is one of the things where we'll continue to focus on. The other, key theme for us is going to be, and I think that brings me back to your first question, which is being more of a regional bank, having branches or banks outside Kuwait contributing more and more to our revenues going forward. So these would be a couple of key priorities for us, which is continuing the drive to simplicity, moving more on a regional basis, and of course you mentioned as well the channels. So all banks, not just us, will have to adapt and become more and more digital and rely a bit less on the physical branches. So in other words, we have between 30 and 40 branches in Kuwait and the same in Egypt. Yes, in Egypt maybe there's a bit room for growth in terms of branches. In Kuwait, I don't think, maybe there's one or two in certain areas that would be interested, but overall, I don't foresee growth in the physical branches, but growth will come from other channels, and that will help us deliver the bottom line to our shareholders.